At AdvanceMed, we're excited to be hosting our very first version of our doctor job application and selection workshop online. I am also very excited to introduce to you our expert speaker, Dr. James Edwards. Amongst his many achievements, James is, of course, the founder of and the voice of onthewards.org, the junior doctor podcast and website. James is also an emergency physician and the director of emergency at RPA Hospital in Sydney. I am really pleased that James has agreed to join us once again to give his talk about behavioural questions in the job interview. The key benefits of this particular talk are: if you don't know what a behavioural question is by now, you definitely should join us on this talk before your interview. Behavioural questions are the foundation of most medical job interviews these days. Understanding how to provide a really good example in the job interview could make or break your performance. Key benefits of our online summit are: we cover all the aspects of the job application and selection process, so you are fully informed. We have gathered the best speakers and experts, so you don't have to, and we reduce the amount of time you have to spend preparing your application and for the interview by applying the best tips and strategies. We look forward to seeing you online.